Video editing offers a wide range of possibilities, including trimming and cutting, removing unwanted sections from a video, adding transitions, smoothly moving between scenes or shots, applying effects, enhancing visuals with filters, color correction, or special effects, adding text, including titles, captions, or subtitles to convey information, incorporating audio, adding background music, sound effects, or voiceovers, creating montages, combining multiple clips to tell a cohesive story or convey a message, adjusting speed, speeding up, slowing down, or reversing footage for dramatic effect, overlaying graphics, incorporating images, logos, or animations onto the video, green screen effects, removing backgrounds or replacing them with different environments, creating split screen, displaying multiple videos simultaneously, stabilizing footage, correcting shaky camera movements for smoother playback, color grading, enhancing or altering the color palette to achieve a specific mood or style, adding transitions, enhancing the flow between scenes or shots with various transition effects, creating visual storytelling, crafting narratives or conveying ideas through visual elements and sequencing, enhancing storytelling, enhancing the narrative with visual effects, sound design, and pacing. Video editing offers a variety of career opportunities across different industries. Film and television, editing for movies, TV shows, documentaries, and web series. Advertising and marketing, creating commercials, promotional videos, and branded content. Social media, editing content for platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Corporate, producing training videos, internal communications, and presentations for businesses. Education, developing educational videos and tutorials for online courses and e-learning platforms. Freelancing, working independently on projects for clients ranging from individuals to businesses. Post-production studios. Famous tools used for video editing are KineMaster, Canva, Filmora, CapCut, VN Editor, etc. Thanks for watching.